Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick little review of this awesome dash cam that you can get for your car. This is S3 Stealth Dash Cam by Z Edge, and it comes with the front facing camera for what you're seeing at the front, as well as a rear facing camera and all the necessary cables that you need to connect it up here. So the main features with this one is that you are getting 150 degree field of view, so very wide, which I will show you on the video examples. You're getting loop recording as well, so you don't have to worry about deleting the files, which is quite annoying. Motion detection, so it starts when you start driving, and full HD 4K or 720p recording as well. So there's lots of different options for the recording here. In the box you will find the main device, which I will turn on here. As you can see, it looks very minimalistic. It's got a retractable kind of lens here which can be adjusted, and this is the clip. You do get some sticky adhesive to put on your window, and you do get SD card included as well. So in here you can just see what else you get. So you do get a variety of different cables to connect up the rear facing camera. As you can see, this is the rear one, and also a cigarette kind of charger here, which is nice. A little pry tool if you want to get the adhesive off. So everything you need to get going really in there, and we can just turn on the device and see how it looks here. So let's just get cable. So you can see that's actually where the rear camera plugs into. It's this one actually that you need. So it's detected movement. You can see it's already started to record here. To cancel, you just press that button there. You can go into the settings. You can see these are the recording formats, so lots of different ones here. And you can also change the loop recording, the audio setting if you want that to be muted, exposure settings. It's also got a night mode as well to improve the low light ability, which I will check out as well. So lots of different settings. I think that's the WDR mode for the night mode. So lots of settings here, as you can see. And yeah, I think what we want to see now is my terrible driving. So we're going to see how it looks here, and then resume the video. Hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.